standing at the Lakeside Club at the Point in Lakeside at Tessera. You can see the play space over here and the wonderful pool straight ahead, which we'll get an up-close look. The pavilion on this peninsula of amazing Lake Travis. Here are all of the things that are in the neighborhood and more coming. How perfect is this sailboat and nautical playscape? Because look right beyond that at the gorgeous Lake Travis. This is right in the heart of the community where all the children can convene and congregate and the parents can get together. Very soft playground bottom, looking out between these oak trees, the hill country, north side of Lake Travis. This is a great place. It's shaded. I've come out here to work on my computer. Just enjoy the view. The Negative Edge pool looks out over Lake Travis and right around the peninsula, so you almost get 180-degree views. This little pool deck with the fountains is fun for the children. It's not very deep and it's also fun to lay and tan. Below the main Negative Edge pool, you have a splash pad, a pavilion for parties, and then a smaller pool with a water feature. And sometimes they'll put a net up for playing volleyball. I'm down below the pool right now, but you can see the trail system in place for hiking and biking. There's miles worth of trails right along the water. That across the lake is Pace Bend. It's a state park. I'm standing on the point where you can see some of the trails converge for hiking and biking. Up this little cove is a great place for jet skiing. You're looking into Lago Vista right now, and all the way down the main body of Lake Travis. When we pan to the right, we see Pace Bend State Park. Here's the Grand Pavilion for meetings and birthdays and family reunions, all sorts of things. It's located very close to the swimming pool. It has amazing views and amazing breezes. Right now I'm standing at the top of the new boat launch area. It's private, only for homeowners. You can maybe see through the trees how the land wraps around, and then the dock is down below to pull up boats.